Hello, I'm Susan Floyd.
And I'm Latoya Grayson, and we're property managers at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Coastal Real Estate.
We provide and oversee all the needed functions for your property, which gives you, the homeowner, a peace of mind to assure your assets are protected throughout the entire process.
When gaining your property, we'll schedule photos with our in-house photographer and perform a 3D Matterport virtual tour.
We verify all applications and screen potential tenants who must have a 630 credit score and a clean background.
We'll advertise the property on the MLS, our website, Zillow, Apartments.com, and many others.
Once a tenant is in place, we perform a move-in inspection, move-out inspection, and periodic inspections of the inside and the outside of the property.
We don't collect a management fee until a tenant is in place. We offer a non-compete agreement and referral fee to all agents.
We would love to have the opportunity to speak with you about professionally managing your investment.
Contact us today
and visit annualrentalsmyrtlebeach.com.